What's up, Student Hustle Tech fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is dedicated to all those grinders out there who might not have a laptop yet, but they are still hungry to dive into the world of web development. Don't worry, you can absolutely get started with your phone. So from this video, we will cover the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is the basic of front-end development. But before we dive in, we have to get editor for phone. We have two types, which is Coder and a code. Where Coder is for iPhone, and a code is for Android. In this course, I'll be using Coder and it is as the same with the code. This is what the app looks like. You can get them on App Store and Play Store respectively. In this episode, we'll be crushing the basics of HTML. Now you may ask, what is the meaning of HTML? It is known as Hypertext Markup Language. It is the building block of pretty much every website you see online. It describes the structure of a web page. Now we can set up our first folder and write a simple code. This is where we save or write codes for a particular project, where we can come back and edit it any time we want. You hit this plus sign at the bottom of the page. You can see many options, but we are not going to talk about all of them now. So we create a new folder. We can name it Beginner's Tutorial. And then press Create. You can see that the name is highlighted at the top. Now can create a file inside the folder. You can name your file anything, but make sure it ends with .html. This is to show that it is a HTML file, so we are naming this one index.html. Now, let's write a simple HTML document, and we will explain them one after the other. You can pause and write the code displayed on the screen, and we will get right back to the explanation. So, what you see first is this doc type. We can call it a declaration. It isn't quite a HTML tag, but it acts like a label for the browser, telling it we're working with an HTML document. So what are tags? Tags usually come in pairs while some don't. You can see an opening tag followed by the tag name, and a closing tag less than, followed by the tag name again with a forward slash. So the tag we used is this example are opening and closing tags. The HTML tag. This is the foundation of our web page. Everything we build goes between these opening and closing tags. The title tag. This tag holds the title of your web page, which appears in the browser tab and search results. The body tag. This section contains the main content of the code. This where everything happens. This is called headings, while this one is called paragraphs. So after writing everything down, we can now go ahead and click this I like icon. This is where we see the result of our code. You can see the heading, which is bolder, and the paragraph, which is lighter. Now that is it for today's lesson. In the next video we will continue with the basic of HTML. Bye for now.